So, can we do a review of Lava Blaze because it was released around 8 days ago?
Okay.
Let's begin. Oh, we are recording. Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World. And today we'll be reviewing a phone, Lava Blaze. So let's begin. First let's start with the general specs. General brand, it's Lava. Model Blaze. Price in India is 8,699 rupees. Release date is 7th July 2022. Launched in India, yes. Form factor, touchscreen. Body type glass. Battery capacity 5,000. Colors, glass black, glass blue, glass green, and glass red. Now let's go to the display.
Display resolution standard HD. Screen size 6.51 inch. Touchscreen yes. Resolution 720 into 1600 pixels. Aspect ratio 20:9. And now let's go to the hardware.
Hardware, RAM 3 GB, internal storage 64 GB. Expandable storage, yes, it has. Expandable storage up to GB 256. Now let's go to the camera.
Cameras, rear camera 13 megapixel, number of rear cameras 3, rear flashes LED, and number of front cameras 1, front camera 8 megapixel. Softwares, operating system is 112. Let's go to the connectivities.
Connectivity, Wi-Fi, yes. Wi-Fi standard support 802.11, and Bluetooth, yes, it has version 5. And USB Type-C, yes. Headphones 3.5 millimeter. Number of SIMs 2 and active on 4G and both SIM cards. Yes. SIM 1 type, a nano SIM, and SIM type 2 also is nano SIM. Now let's go to the sensors.
Sensors, face unlock, yes. Fingerprint sensor, yes. Proximity sensor, yes. Accelerometer, yes. That's all for this review. Thanks for watching. My name is Johns,
My name is Nathaniel. I'm the Tech World.
signing off.